celebrating 18 years of excellence in manufacturing air handling units to regulate and circulate air. Comfort HVAC is an accomplished engineering pioneer offering innovative and complete end-to-end technical solutions in air conditioning systems, ventilation, services and solutions from basic comfort cooling to a custom designed part of a sophisticated HVAC system. Founded in the year 2004 by Mr. Anil Joshi and Mr. Amit Thakkar with an objective to offer high-quality engineering-based HVAC contracting solutions, we at Comfort HVAC are enabling our customers by providing innovative solutions to optimize indoor environments through a broad portfolio of energy-efficient heating, ventilating and air conditioning HVAC system with state-of-the-art features. All our HVAC solutions are developed in our well-equipped manufacturing plant with cutting-edge machinery. Setting a benchmark of quality with our range of products, we specialize in design and manufacturing of advanced HVAC system for the precise control of temperature, humidity levels, air quality, filtration and pressurization of equipment and processes. Our range of HVAC solutions includes air handling unit, air washer unit, ventilation systems, heating and cooling coils, clean room partition, kitchen ventilation system, heat exchanger systems, centrifugal and axial flow fan. HVAC systems are essential components in the functionality and aesthetics of all modern buildings, constructions, and a well-designed and efficient HVAC system go beyond ensuring comfortable temperatures and fresh air for facilities, playing a key role in the production and testing processes of a broad spectrum of industries. Various industries and sectors having specific applications utilizing HVAC systems includes agro and food processing, cement plant, power plant, pharmaceutical and biotech, automobile industry, steel industry, workshop and engineering equipment, textile industry, petrochemical and process industry. We are on our mission to create exclusive HVAC products with consideration of performing under stringent norms established by various regulatory authorities, adhering to world-class parameters. We are committed for converting potential into results and provide innovative solutions to individuals and organizations, making lives comfortable. Comfort HVAC, commitment for your comfort.